as I commit my life to you today as your wife, I vow to love and support you as you have always done for me.
I promise to be dedicated to you for the rest of our lives, as you've been for me since the day we met. I promise to always be there for you when you need me, and devote myself to you, our family, and our dogs, as long as there's only three.
For anyone who doesn't know, I'm Jeff's older brother, Ryan. I'm so happy to be here for you guys today. Me and Jeff obviously go back a ways. We've known each other for so long and always, his whole life literally. We've just always been there for each other and always been together for most of our lives. Dating way back to when we were kids, and we would play this game with each other kind of when we were little. It would be nighttime, we'd be in our bunk beds upstairs, and we would play this game where one of us would say to the other one, "Are you asleep yet?" And then the other one would be like, no, I'm still up." And we'd be like, "Oh, okay, all right." And then, we'd be hanging out there for a while, and a few minutes later, and, "Hey, you still up?" And the other guy would be like, "Yeah, I'm still up." "Oh, okay, all right, okay." And we were just, we were little kids, and it was dark out, and we didn't really want to go to bed yet, and it was just kind of our way of being there for each other. It's always good to have, have your brother around and know that you can count on him.
Jackie, you're the most selfless and giving person I know. The incredible love you have for Jeff is one of the strongest bonds I've ever witnessed. You two are made for each other.
Tyson just couldn't stand it.
Jeffrey, I give you this ring.
Jacqueline, I give you these rings.
To announce with great joy that you are now husband and wife, you may kiss your bride.